Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here with Jimmy.
Yeah!
Here, drink. Right here. Alright, so we're going to be showing you my fidget collection. Alright, wait. Gonna put the box there. Turn it around. So this is my room. So that's my giant Mega Poppet, first of all, and then here's my box. You could see fidget toys. So yes, and like all of those stickers. So Jimmy, do you want to open it?
Yeah. What do you think? What fidget?
Oh, this is hard.
Comment down below. All right.
Wait, Jimmy, I got it. Jimmy, I got it. Jimmy, it's alright, I got it there. So I need to write the run of it. Alright. Bye. There it is. Are you impressed, Jimmy?
I'll tell you your favorite. It's this squishy, which is so satisfying for me too. Look at very, very satisfying. And guys, we only got a little bit subscriber. We need 5,000 subscribers.
Oh my god, Jimmy. So this is the squishy. The little pink pineapple. So
Here's the Among Us puppet.
Wait, let me show them.
Among Us puppet.
I put some stickers. Like I put a sticker.
I put
down
some
here.
emojis, turtles.
That's a mochi. Got an infinity cube right here.
Oh, I love the infinity cube.
This is Jimmy's favorite puppet I have.
Among Us.
Well, it's hard to pop since I'm one-handed. Then right at the bottom of this, as you can see, is my popsicle puppet. Then is a monkey noodle. Then we have two slimes. One slime, two slime. Alright, squishy. Mochis. This is my favorite mochi since it's stretchy. Squishy too. Jimmy, this is your favorite mochi, right? The T-Rex. They get dirty as always. Next, right here at the bottom. Oh, switch your hats. Got a marble mesh. Hey, Jimmy, do you want to now play with them? Show them? Marble mesh. Jimmy, do you want to try and play with this? Right here. Show them. Come. It's
the marble inside, you can kind of see it.
Wait, so Jimmy, what's it called again?
Marble mesh. And in real life, it starts, but in the screen it's very light.
Yeah, that's because you could see the light reflecting from the light to here. Right, so Jimmy, do you want to see your favorite puppet?
Yeah.
Jimmy's favorite puppet.
Among Us. Here, guys, I will show you how to do this puppet. Alright. I'll count how many there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
17, 18, 19,
20,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
31, 32.
32 puppets. 32 pops on each side. don't pop the good side while I show them the next.
Yeah.
Alright, so next, an infinity cube. Our first infinity cube. And you like this, right, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Since it's galaxy.
Galaxy. Wow.
But don't forget, Jimmy, we're going to save our favorite fidgets for last. Well, you already seen mine. This is my second favorite fidget.
Wait.
Jimmy, do you want to show them the slime?
I want to get the big slime.
The big slime this time, Jimmy? Right.
Wow. That was crazy.
But Jimmy, remember, this is also your favorite. A green monkey noodle.
Ah!
Oh, sorry.
I made a hole. Ow!
You could hear a sound.
Oh, sorry. That was pain. It hit me right here on the head.
Oh, wow, that is hurt. That does hurt.
Ouchies.
Sorry, Jimmy.
It's okay.
So do you want to take all of them out and then, do you want to take, no wait, Jimmy, do you want to take all our fidgets out of the box and then I put them back after the video?
We should slam them dunk.
Alright. This is going to be super satisfying.
This is, we're gonna slam them.
Right, so 1,
Oh!
2, 3. Right, so 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, I also put a little sticker. I got some chains too.
What is this?
Oh, that's for my camera, Jimmy. Don't take that out. Sorry if the camera's messed up. I have trouble with the camera. 2 stickers. That's all it is. Fidget tower is super tall. Jimmy, look at the fidget tower.
Huh? Whoa. And the mousey.
Got a mochi. Look. It's all blank. So that's how many fidgets that can fit in this box. Maybe more. Right. Popsicle. Right, so. Got a popsicle puppet. If you've seen our videos, I've showed you this puppet already. Super good. Hard shell. Hard shells are amazing. You don't know what a hard shell is, Jimmy? I mean a hard shell puppet. Second we got heart puppet.
Heart one.
With alphabets. With like letters.
Yeah, I did my ABCs on that one. You guys told me to.
Yeah, I did. It's like there's an O, a H. I mean an M, not an H. Right.
So that.
Then we have this puppet.
And then we have this pineapple squishy.
So we don't squeeze it that much. Gonna break it. Put that right there.
And then next we got a finicky cubes. Finicky cubes.
I put a sticker on this that says over it.
I made a letter L.
Alright, so I'm gonna try and make this look like how it was. So it was like popsicle puppet right there.
Except we got that slime, this little slime, which is so little.
So little bit.
time.
Wait, Joey, can I show that one?
Yeah.
Alright, so this is the little blue slime. It used to be super like hard, but then I mixed some water and hand sanitizer in it, so now it's like super good, super stretchy.
Next,
Super good slime.
we got emojis.
Jimmy, it sounds like you're saying emojis. It's mochis.
Emojis. Wait, look at this, Julie. Look, when I squeeze the whole entire body, his head goes up.
Yeah, you didn't know. Could get the infinity cube right here.
And we forgot to show one puppet?
No, I don't think we did.
We should put
No, I showed that one. We got this little guy that looks like Jimmy's favorite, that Pokemon Snorlax. Got a little watermelon charm. Then also green dinosaur. Gonna put that in the corner. That is what? That's a polar bear, Jimmy.
Polar bears. There's two polar bears. They're twins.
Put that right there. A little tiny. This is.
Look,
this
one has no eyes.
This is an octopus.
This one has no eyes. No eyes.
No, Jimmy, that's because mochis do that. They lose their eyes sometimes. Alright, so we're just
guys,
gonna.
this is the video.
No, we just gotta put all of these back. Then that's gonna be done. Alright, well. Alright, got it back up. I'll see you guys. See you guys in the next video. Bye.